Hey Heaven, so we're going to be looking at task 2 of this unit activity. So make sure that you're going here like I think you did in the second time. And so let's look back at the directions. Partition the polygon into triangles by drawing line segments between the vertices. So we need to make triangles out of this. So we're going to click on segment. And yours might be a little bit different, but we're going to do something like this so that everything that we make is a triangle. All right, so we got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles. So now it says draw an altitude to represent the height of the triangle. Place a point at the intersection of the height and the base of each triangle. So an altitude, so that is going to be a perpendicular line right here. It says down here, select point and perpendicular line. So we're going to pick the point C. And we're going to pick BD, and that just made an altitude for us because it's a line that goes straight down to make 90-degree angles right here, and that's what a perpendicular line makes, is 90-degree angles. And so we're going to do that for all of these. So this one, we can just use this 90-degree angle right here that was made, so we don't really have to make one here. Then this one here and here, and this one here, and here, let's see, here and here, no, let's do this one here and here. Okay, all right, so then it says place a point at the intersection of the height and the base. Okay, so we're going to place a point, we're going to put intersect. So in this case, here's our height, and here's our base, so that's H right here. And then we're going to make another one for this triangle, the height and the base. Okay, and for this one here, we're getting all confused, height and base. And I think we still need to draw a perpendicular line for this guy. So this one and here. So we're going to do that, the height and the base. Okay, I think we got, so we have one here, that one doesn't need one here, one here, and one here. Okay, so we're all good. So now it says, use the tools in GeoGebra to find the length of the base and the height of each triangle. So that's going to be right here. We're going to click on distance. So, let's see, the height of this triangle. Oh, we need, sorry, let's do between C and H. Why are you not working? There we go. Between C and H, and I'm actually going to move this right here. And then let's go ahead and measure around our measuring tool from B to D, because that's our base. Does that work? B to D. Okay, there we go. And you should do these one at a time so you don't get confused. So now what you will do is, on your activity, you're going to do, you're going to separate this into triangles. So triangle CBD, sorry, I'm using my mouse instead of the stylus, the formula to find the area of that is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2, we just found the base right here was 1.41 times the height, which we just found was 2.12. Okay, so you are going to do this for all of these triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles, all right? So you're going to find what this equals to, you're going to find the areas of the other ones, and then you're going to add them all together. It is going to be tedious, but it's at least not like too hard of work, okay? Let's go back here. Compute the area of each, add the areas together. All right, so that should be it.